This recipe not only tastes delicious, it's good for your digestion too. Our zesty blend of lemon and ginger has been combined with the probiotic BC30, an innovation that helps maintain a healthy balance in your digestive tract when used as part of a balanced diet. About the brand, the Bigelow Tea story beginning the moment our founder, Ruth Campbell Bigelow, created constant comment tea in her kitchen in 1945, our family has focused on just one thing, trying to make the finest teas possible. Over the years, we have introduced many new flavors as well as concepts in tea. Today we offer a selection of deliciously different blends of teas and green teas, a wide variety of herbal teas and teas flavored with real fruit juice. Today Bigelow Tea is the #1 specialty tea company in the United States. And to think it all began with the first legendary black tea flavored with golden orange rind and sweet spice, constant comment tea. Bigelow takes immense pride in providing the tea drinking community with the best tea at a great value. We only use hand-picked teas, real spices, flavors, and herbs. The flavors and blends we have created are second to none. Some of our teas contain up to 20 different ingredients. And because tea is a leaf that can dry out, we take steps to protect it. To keep the teas fresh, we seal our tea bags in protective packets. We simply have to protect those delightful flavors. That's why a cup of Bigelow tea is aromatic and delicious, a true indulgence for the senses. Top reviews from the United States. Bigelow never disappoints. I am a tea maniac. And I find myself coming back to Bigelow over and over. This time they have done it again with this lovely lavender chamomile. The scent is amazing. And it gives you a nice calm feeling at the end of a stressful day. The foil bags always seal in the freshness, and Bigelow bags are always good for a second and even third use if necessary.